Good afternoon, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. The phone number here to the dealership is 352-694-1234, and we're centrally located on Highway 200 at 2261 Southwest College Road. And for reference, we're about 2.5 miles east of I-75. Wanted to take just a quick minute to introduce a vehicle that's just arriving. Still needs to go through detail and service. But it's this 2013 Hyundai Azera with the limited edition package. Has just 84,000 miles. This is a bigger car for Hyundai. Probably competes more with the Accord and the Camry. And in their eyes, maybe it competes a little bit past that, but has a sky view roof, a smoke-free cabin, just 84,000 miles. This 13 Azera. That's driven about 9,000 miles a year. And when I checked the fuel economy rating, it seems like it got about 20 in town and 29 on the highway. So if your weekend search or weekday search is for something in that low teens, let me recommend you stop by Prestige. It's a nice car, dual power seats, smoke-free cabin, big sky view roof. Just 84,000 miles. Picks up the Joy FM nicely. Dash is not all cracked. Inside is very clean. It has that big sky view roof. Infinity stereo. When we get back to work on Monday, I'll make sure this car gets in for detail and service. But just a little first 1 minute peek at a fresh arrival 13 Azera Limited, 84,000 miles, 20 Carfax service records, 29 miles a gallon on the road, and smoke-free cabin. We love trades and have financing sources with such as some great local credit unions, some fantastic national lenders. And we even have in-house financing, which we call Chris Credit, for folks that have new or rebuilding situations. This is Chris at Prestige. We'll see you at the store.